Hi, this is Mihnea. Welcome to Romanian Hub, the ultimate Romanian language learning portal. In this video lesson, we will look at another aspect of Romanian grammar. Hai să începem. Let's start. The superlative degree for the adjective frumos, beautiful, can be relative superlative of superiority. Cel mai frumos. Cel mai frumos. The most beautiful. Of inferiority, cel mai puțin frumos. Cel mai puțin frumos. The least beautiful. Absolute superlative, foarte frumos. Foarte frumos. Very beautiful. And that's the end of another Romanian language lesson. Now it's your turn. Make a sentence with one of the target words and post it in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe. In that way, you won't miss the next episode. Ciao! This is Mihnea, signing off from Beijing.